Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by collecting the essentials. Open Facebook, sign into the business manager account you use, and pull together 3 to 5 competitor page names. Once done, navigate straight to the Facebook ad library. Make sure you set the country and the ad category, because that narrows the results quickly. Then enter each competitor page name into the search. This gives you a live inventory of active ads, so you can start comparing formats, headlines, and creative at once. Now you dig into specifics. Open each ad and document the creative type and format, because creative choices reveal intent. You should copy the headline, primary text length, and the exact call to action. Also note the destination URL to see funnels. Once that's done, compare multiple ads to spot repeat messaging or timing patterns, and look for /B test variations. These clues explain what they are optimizing, and they show you where to focus your counter tests. To finish, consolidate every finding into a simple spreadsheet so you can compare side by side. Include creative type, copy length, CTA, landing URL, and date range. Then prioritize the themes that repeat most often and design 3 counter ads to test those elements in your own campaigns. If you can't find a competitor's ads, troubleshoot by clearing your cache, switching the country filter, or using an incognito window. Make sure you retry the page search after each change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.